Okay, last time I had discussed till question number 5, and I think it did not get recorded till the end. But you must have understood, children, already that the signum function, the answer or value of y comes out to be only 1, 0 and -1. So obviously it is a limited range. The range is a set having entries 1, 0, -1, which is definitely quite smaller than the codomain. So it is not an onto function. And then it won't be 1 1 also, because there'll be so many positive real numbers जिनके सबकी एक ही image आ रही है. All negative numbers same image आ रही है. So clearly this is neither 1 1 nor odd 2. Okay, now sixth one is set A 1 2 3, set B 4 5 6 7, and a function has been given in form of ordered pair now. Okay, अभी तक उसने equation में दिया था, define किया था, now पूरा ordered pair दे दिया है. So that's your function having entries 1, 4, 2, 5 and 3, 6. And this function is from set A to set B, and you have to show that this is 1 1. So from observation clearly we can see, so there are two ways of representing that. You can say f1 is equal to 4 means image of 1 is 4, image of 2 is 5, image of 3 is 6. So all pre-images have unique images, so it is a 1 1 function. Okay, or maybe if you don't want to present it like that, this is another way by mapping. Okay, we can show the mapping out here straight away. This was my set A given having entries 1 2 3, another set having entries 4 5 6 7, and then you can just show that this is associated with this, this is connected with this, this is connected with this. So clearly हमको दिख रहा है map से कि it is a 1 1 map. Okay, nothing great about it. Okay, next question, children. In each of the following cases, you have to state whether the function is 1 1, onto, or bijective. Justify your answer. So you try that on your own, children. That's simple enough. I've already solved questions. I've told you how you have to go about those questions. So the first one, I think I've done the second part out here for you all. Have I? No, I've left it for you girls. Okay, so see here again, आप क्या कहोगे? You'll pick up two entries. You'll say x1 x2 belonging to real numbers. Then fx1 is equal to fx2. So 3 minus 4x1 is equal to 3 minus 4x2. 3 3 cancel होगा, minus 4 cancel होगा सब, तो x1 is equal to x2. 1 1 mapping हो गया. All right. For onto, you would put this as y is equal to this. So from there you'll work out your x, which will come as 3 minus y upon 4. So 3 minus y upon 4 would be always a real number. Okay, whatever be the value of y, there would be any real number. So 3 minus a real number upon 4 will always end up giving you another real number. तो वो आपका domain भी real number था, तो आप कहोगे ये onto भी है. So this is a bijective. Okay, it's 1 1 as well as onto. Second function, likewise you would say x1 is equal to fx2. So 1 plus x1 square is equal to 1 plus x2 square. 1 1 cancel हो जा रहा है आपका, x1 अंडर रूट करके इज इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस x2. तो अगेन आपको दिख रहा है कि इट इज़ नॉट अ 1 1 मैपिंग. राइट, क्लियरली दिख रहा है, क्योंकि रियल नंबर्स हैं तो उसमें नेगेटिव भी आते हैं. एंड वी नो स्क्वायर्स ऑफ पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव्स इमेज सेम आता है. ऑल राइट, देन इफ यू चेंज द सब्जेक्ट, पुट दिस एज y, तो यहाँ से x क्या निकल के आएगा? 1 माइनस वाई, सॉरी x निकालना है, तो y माइनस 1 अंडर रूट. ओके, हियर इन पेंसिल जस्ट फॉर हिंट आई हैव रिटन फॉर यू ऑल, x विल कम आउट टू बी समथिंग लाइक दिस, and which we know that this will not be defined for every real number. Okay, you can put some example here maybe. All right, this is not always a real number. Why? Because y अगर आप negative ले लेते हो तो negative का under root defined नहीं होता है. Okay, so that way I think you can, by now you should be knowing how to write those reasoning. Okay, so next one is out here now. Okay, this is something different. Ordered pairs are given out here from Cartesian product to another Cartesian product. Let A and B be two sets, and we have mapped function from A cross B, that's Cartesian product, to B cross A, such that image of AB will be BA. Okay, image of A comma B, ऐसा ordered pair का image आएगा B comma A, flipping it. Okay, you have to show that this is a bijective. So but natural है, obvious है, but yes, let's see how we have to present that. उसमें थोड़ा बहुत confusion जाता है because यहाँ पे two ordered pair हैं, so there are two entries. Okay, वहाँ अभी तक हम x1 x2 ऐसा चल रहे थे. So the first entry you would say is, suppose, sorry यहाँ से start हो रहा है, you would say let a1 and a2 belong to set A, I hope that you all understand that if A cross B है तो first entry is from set A, second entry is from set B. तो हमने set A की 2 entries ले ली हैं, A1, A2, and likewise set B की 2 entries ले लोगे, B1, B2. तो फिर आपका ordered pair बनेगा एक A1, B1 and दूसरा A2, B2. That's how you'll have to take it. Okay, so जो x1 कहते थे, x1 की जगह पूरा ऑर्डर्ड पेयर आएगा a1 b1, x2 की जगह पूरा ऑर्डर्ड पेयर आएगा a2 b2. so f a1 b1 is equal to f a2 b2. फिर इसका डेफिनेशन उसने ऑलरेडी बताया था that this is equal to b1 a1 and b2 a2 हो जाएगा likewise as per the definition. Now if two ordered pairs are equal, that is only possible when the x of this is equal to x of this, y of this is equal to y of this. So we get from here conclusion b1 is equal to b2 and a1 is equal to a2, right? And if that is so, then your a1 b1 is exactly same as a2 b2. जब वो इंडिविजुअली इक्वल है तो वो ऑर्डर पेयर भी पूरा इक्वल हो गया. फाइन. तो जब हमने इमेज इक्वल ली थी तो एंट्रीज भी इक्वल आ गई. सो इट इज अ 1-1 मैपिंग. All right, then next is for onto. Okay, so I made a mistake there in a hurry. onto में हम क्या करते हैं, हम कोडोमेन्स का एलिमेंट्स लेते हैं. तो कोडोमेन हमारी ये है B क्रॉस A. तो हम क्या स्टार्ट करेंगे, we'll say let one entry from the codomain B. आप B कॉमा A भी लिख सकते हो, मैंने B1 A1 लिखा है. एनी हाउ, ओके, जस्ट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट यू विल पिक अप द एंट्री फ्रॉम कोडोमेन. तो B पहले आ जाएगा. ओके, सो B1 कॉमा A1 विच इज बिलोंगिंग टू B क्रॉस A. According to the definition, then this b1 comma a1 was defined as f of a1 b1. Okay, so I've put that in words out here, that this entry from B cross A, we from the definition can see there would be some a1 b1 which would be from A cross B. Okay, तो आपको लिखना है इसमें, ये सब ऑब्वियस रिजल्ट्स हैं, बट यू हैव टू जस्ट पुट इट इन राइटिंग टू शो दैट कि आपको आइडिया है, कंसेप्ट है कि क्या ऑन टू का मतलब है, क्या 1-1 का मतलब है. ओके, सो सिंपली राइट इट कि फॉर दिस एंट्री हियर, फॉर एवरी दिस एंट्री हियर यू विल फाइंड सम A comma B belonging to A cross B such that this is its image. This is the image of this entry and this entry belongs to A cross B clearly, which is my domain. So it is an onto function. Okay, hence it is a bijective. I think कुछ ऐसा ही था कि show it is a bijective. Okay, so if you've shown it as 1-1 as well as onto, it is a bijective. All right. Okay, 9th question is saying that there is a function mapped from natural numbers to natural numbers, and it is defined as if it is an odd natural number, then the image will be obtained as n plus 1 by 2. For even natural number, it would be straight away n by 2. So they're asking you if it is a bijective or not and why. Okay, so see here, I've done this with the help of examples straight away. Natural numbers की बात थी, so I started off with the first natural number, that is 1, which we know is odd. If it is odd, तो उसका image क्या आएगा, n plus 1 by 2 बोला था उसने odd के लिए. So f का image f1 will be 1 plus 1 by 2, okay, which would be 2 upon 2, which becomes 1. Now second natural number is 2. And it is even natural number, and उसने बोला था कि even का image कैसे मिलेगा, number upon 2. So 2 upon 2, 1. You've got the same image for 1 as well as 2. f1 is equal to f2 is equal to 1. You are getting same image for 2 entries. It is a many one function. It's not 1-1. Okay. Question था, is it a bijective? तो bijective के लिए 1-1 as well as onto दोनों होना पड़ता है. तो अगर ये 1-1 भी नहीं है, आपको onto चेक करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Straight away if you don't get the relation as 1-1, you can conclude कि bijective तो नहीं हो सकता है. ओके, दिस इज जस्ट फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. मैंने आपके लिए यहाँ पे ऑन टू का भी चेक कर दिया है, ऑल्दो इट वाज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, क्योंकि उसने बस ये पूछा था कि बाइजेक्टिव है या नहीं, और जब वो 1-1 ही नहीं है तो बाइजेक्टिव नहीं हो सकता है. सो कंक्लूजन तो यहीं से आ गया है. ओके, नाउ बाई चांस इन द क्वेश्चन इट इज आस्क्ड इज इट सर्जेक्टिव और नॉट, ऑन टू पूछा है, तो आप क्या करोगे. ऑन टू में अगेन क्या होता है कि वी हैव टू टेक अप एंट्री फ्रॉम द कोडोमेन. तो कोडोमेन क्या है, नेचुरल नंबर्स ही था फॉर दिस फंक्शन ऑल्सो. ओके, सो आई हैव स्टार्टेड ऑफ विद नेचुरल नंबर्स f1 f2 दोनों का इमेजेस 1. लाइकवाइज इफ यू चेक f3 f4 का 2 आएगा, f5 f6 का 3 आएगा. if you go on, so what are we observing, for every natural number we definitely find image or yes, we are definitely finding some image or the other. So we can say that every image is necessarily having a pre-image. In fact, they are 2-2. Many one function नहीं है. Okay, whatever. The point was कि हमारे पास कोडोमेन में एक्स्ट्रा एंट्रीज नहीं होनी चाहिए, तो वो हमारे सारे नेचुरल नंबर्स कवर हो जा रहे हैं. ओके, सो इट इज़ ऑन टू, द फंक्शन इज ऑन टू. ओके, because your range is same as natural number, which is your codomain. Okay, what is the next question saying? They've given you a set A which has all real numbers other than 3 and B all real numbers other than 1, and a mapping from A to B given by this. Then you have to check whether this is 1 1 and onto or not. Okay, so again, you could have done that question on your own, still I've done it for you. x1 x2 belonging to A. Then again for 1 1 you say let these images be equal. अब इसको आप solve करोगे, I mean you'll put it to definition and then solve it. Okay, so आप कर सकते थे, but because वो expression थोड़ा different था from rest, so I solved it. Okay, तो cross multiply करोगे naturally. Okay, if you cross multiply this binomial with this is what you get. इसको जब आप सिंप्लीफाई कर रहे हो, सी अल्टीमेटली आपको वापस मिल जा रहा है x1 इज इक्वल टू x2. ओके, सो द इमेजेस सेम मीन्स द प्री इमेजेस आर ऑल्सो exactly equal, same, so it is 1 1 mapping. Okay, for on to let this whole expression be y, change the subject, cross multiply करके तो x कुछ ऐसा आ जा रहा है. All right, अब y was some real number. Okay, and this expression out here is also a real number unless y is 1, because y is 1 पे ये 0 हो जाएगा, तब वो रियल नंबर नहीं देगा, अदरवाइज हमेशा में रियल नंबर देगा. तो उसने खुद ही बताया था कि सेट बी जो है इसका, उसने आपको सेट बताया था कि इसका कोडोमेन इज सेट बी विच इज ऑल रियल नंबर्स अदर देन 1. Okay, so we can clearly see that this expression is defined for all real numbers other than 1. Hence means this जो आपका ये क्या है x है, एलिमेंट है या आपकी प्री इमेज है, वो सेट ए को बिलोंग करेगी. Alright, that is how you have to present it. Okay, then rest of the questions are all short oral. Quickly we'll finish off that as well. Now 11th one is a function from real numbers to real number defined as fx is equal to x to the power of 4. Okay, then वही नेचर चेक करना है, तो आपको दिख रहा है कि दिस कैन नॉट बी 1 1 चिल्ड्रन, जब स्क्वायर ही नहीं था तो ठीक है. इसमें आपका वही आप एग्जाम्पल सेम ले सकते हो, -2 to the power of 4 इज इक्वल टू 2 to the power of 4, फोर्थ रूट है, दोनों 16 16 आ जाएंगे, तो 1 1 नहीं है. ओके, ऑन टू के लिए क्या आएगा, इट वुड बी फोर्थ रूट ऑफ y. तो y अगर कोई नेगेटिव रियल नंबर है तो हम उसका फोर्थ रूट नहीं निकाल सकते हैं. ओके, तो ये ऑन टू भी नहीं है. सो डी इज योर करेक्ट आंसर, दैट एफ इज नाइदर 1 1 नॉर ऑन टू. वही जो हमने स्क्वायर आगे पहले क्वेश्चन किया हुआ है, एक्स स्क्वायर, सेम लॉजिक फॉर एक्स टू द पावर ऑफ 4. Alright, now next function is your 3x, and then here also you have to check the nature. So it would be 3x1 is equal to 3x2, that is x1 is equal to x2. 1 1 हो गया. Okay, for on to you'll say y is equal to 3x, x is equal to y upon 3. So if your y is a real number, y upon 3 is also a real number. Any real number divided by 3 will also give you a real number. तो ये डोमेन में फॉल कर रहा है x आपका. So ये on to भी है. So this function is a bijective 1 1 as well as on to. The first function was neither 1 1 nor on to. Okay, so finish off this exercise children for today, and then we start off with the next topic.